Good morning all. In this session we are going to learn about basic concepts of JavaScript. In this session we are covering the topics variables, loops, arrays, objects and functions. In this session first we'll learn about variables. What is variables? In JavaScript variables are used to store and manipulate data. Variables can be declared using var, let or constant. These three are the keywords to declare variables. Var is a function scope can be redeclared, where let is block scope cannot be redeclared, where constant block scope cannot be redeclared or reassigned. Variable name equals to value. This is the syntax. Variables examples var name equals to Jenny. Here name is the variable name and Jenny is the value. Here var can be redeclared anywhere in the program. It's a function scope. Here let age equals to 18. 18 is a value, age is a variable name. By using let keyword, it is a block scope cannot be redeclared. It cannot be redeclared in any function or block. Constant it is used, constant keyword used for only constant values. Examples, pi is a 3.14. It is a constant value. This is the brief introduction to variables. Now we are going to loops. What is loops? Loops are programming constructs that allows repeated execution of a block of code for a specified number of iterations or until a certain condition is met. There are three types of loops in JavaScript: for loop, while loop and do while loop. First we are going to learn for loop. What is for loop? For loop is used to iterate over a sequence or repeat a task for a fixed number of times. This is the syntax: initialization, condition, increment or decrement, code execute. This is the basic example for loop. Let I equals to 0 is an initialization, I less than 5 is condition and I plus plus is increment. Console.log, this statement is to print the statement which is inside the statement. To print that value we use the console.log. Here I equals to 0, from I equals to 0, I less than 5, the value should be printed. So this the output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because I less than 5 is 4, so 0 to 4 numbers will be printed. Now what is while loop? While loop is used to repeat a task while a condition is true. The syntax is while condition. We will see basic example for this. Let I equals to 0, I less than 5, console.log I plus plus. It is also same, but the way we return by using loops is different. The output is also same as for loop. Do while loop. Do while loop is what is do while loop? It is also similar to while loop, but the code inside the loop execute at least once. See, the syntax is do code to be executed while condition. Let I equals to 0, do console.log I plus plus, I less than 5. Here, if the condition is true or false, the code which is executed, which is written in the written after the do, it will be printed whether it is true or false. So this is the advantage of when we want to print at least one time the sentence or the code, we will use do while loop. Now we will see arrays. What is arrays? Arrays are collection of objects, collection of values. Syntax is let array name equals to value 1, value 2, value 3. This is the example. Let colors equals to red, green, blue. Console.log colors of 0, output is red. Colors of 0 is red, colors of 1 is green, colors of blue is 2. The indexes are for red 0, for green 1, for blue 1. Arrays are used when there are multiple values to store in a single variable name. So to write like that, we will use the eraser to write the values, collection of values in a single variable name. And functions. Function is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. It can take inputs, process them, and return outputs. This is the syntax. Function is a keyword. Function name, parameters, a code to be executed. Example. Um, Here function add is a function name, x comma y are the parameters. Here return x plus y here asking. So we are calling the function let result is equals to add 5 comma 2. These are the x comma y values 5 comma 2. Here console.log result is output 8 because 5 plus 2 is here 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Objects. What is object? In JavaScript, an object is a collection of properties where each property is defined as a key value pair. Objects are mutable, meaning they can be modified after creation. Here we can see the syntax of, in simple words, we can say that objects are collection of key value pairs. Syntax: let object name equals to key value 1 value, key value 2, like that. Example: let person equals to name John, age 30. Console.log person.name. Object is used to print. Here person.name. To print this name of John, we are using the object name. See, person.name John. Output is John. Person age 30. So this is the basic concepts of JavaScript. Please like and share my channel. Subscribe to my channel.